Hey everybody, welcome back to John Out Living It. Just doing a quick vlog here about what I'm bringing to Thailand with me. Huge travel vlog coming out soon. Look out for it. Once I'm done with Thailand, we're gonna go through every single thing that I did and it's gonna be great. So let's get to it. We're gonna go over my gear bag, my clothes bag, some stuff I'm bringing for people, a backpack, most stuff I've ever brought on a trip. So let's go. First up, we're gonna start with my clothes bag. Okay, got a bunch of stuff in here. First, we're gonna start off, we got some tank top. Another tank top. Dress pants. A couple pairs of shorts. Some shoes, some underwear, some socks, some more shirts. This is for my buddy Mike. This is his shirt. Kill for less. Also got some of these Fuck Cancer shorts. I'm gonna end up giving to Mike. And then I got my teammate sent me 2 Burger King packs to bring to Thailand for him. So shout out to Mojo on Facebook, Australian guy. And then we got a belt in here. And that's it for my clothes bag. Now we're gonna go through what I have in my backpack. This is what I bring to around the airport. First off, charger bag, or I believe people call it a ditty bag. So this is what I have in my little wire bag. I got one for an Apple, my phone's Apple. A power bank, this is good for travel, just in case you can't get a plug somewhere. An outlet box, and then USB-C, and then basically every charger you can need right here. Next up on the outside, we got here a sunglasses case for my sunglasses. And then in here, this all zipped up. We got an extra pair of glasses in case I lose mine. Let's go on this outside pocket here. We have my toothbrush, toothpaste in there, as well as a flashlight. You never know when you're gonna need that. And then on this secret pocket over here, let's check this out here for you. It's kind of where I have stickers that I've collected all over the place. I just like to have that in there. One day when I get a car, I'm gonna sticker it up. Let's see, we got anything up in here? Not yet. And then up in this pocket. My medication. Make sure you pack your medication. And here in the top section, we'll take everything out. Passport. Definitely need this when traveling international. A couple different bags here. This one has tissues, a wet nap, lens cleaner, just in case you need it. And then I always have this in my bag just in case I need a pen, a Sharpie for people to sign things, or I'll sign things, and then an extra dry erase. This is good for those laminated sheets for when you play paintball. Business cards, in case you make some connections. And wired headphones, because some of the planes have wired headphone spots, and I like to use my own pair. Sometimes when you go international, they give you pairs that are looks like someone wore them, or they got cleaned or something like that. I'd rather just use my own. All right, and let's get into the meat and potatoes, what I got in here. Boom. So when I travel, I like to have extra clothes in case something happens, I spill. You know, I got a couple shirts in here, a pair of shorts, I guess another pair of shorts. Another thing I like to bring with me on my trips is a massage gun. Let's make sure that I got this all out for you real quick. Here we go. My brother gave me this one. I honestly don't know what it is, but it works really well. Got the one ball attachment, charger, and then the massage gun. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Poncho, frog togs. Works very well for everything. Oh man, baby, here we go. Team Philippines, who I'm going out there with. Tank tops. Shout out to Ferdy and the boys. Another t-shirt, We Kill Suckers. We got socks, long sleeve in case it gets cold on the plane. Extra pair of joggers to play in. And that's it for everything inside. Here we go. Okay, first thing you see here is a folder. This folder has all the documents you need for going to Thailand. Make sure your markers don't get seized. Okay. First thing up, carbon underlayer. Love these things. I heard they rip if you're like a front player. I heard they did better with this. These are the older pair, the cheaper pair. But these held up really well for me for the past couple seasons. Next up, what should we grab? Grab old school die rotor. My spider just kicked the bucket, so shout out to my friend Dylan Jolly for sending me this rotor right before I get out there. Next up, let's go with my Dizana Sports V4 joggers. These are light. You got this nice, so it sticks to you. I don't know what that's called, micro fiber type of thing going on. And then, you know, my signature overshot of cancer design. And we got out here, let's go to the next part. For this, let's get more stuff here. Oh, here we go. My carbon pop pack, load these things. Got the cushion in the back. Just great pop back. Next up, everything I use is great, honestly. But it was all up has massive amount of bounces in these, very comfortable. I need to get my arms up a little bit, so these fit a little bit better, but they're great. Then up next, obviously, so my probably favorite thing that I have in here is the dirty clothes bag, laundry bag from Volcano. Comes with this Volcano gear bag. Next up we got here, shout out to Field 1 Harrison Fry. I got his case. I'm supposed to give it to someone in Thailand. There you go. Harrison Fry, you might know him from Dynasty, pretty good player. Then next up is my cleat bag. I just got this, you know, backpack, mesh backpack from working at Allstate, Checkpoint Agency, shout out if you need trims. And then just some Nike, I think these are the Vapors, I don't know. They're pretty good. They just, you know, kind of clump up dirt a little bit, but they make it happen. Then what else we got here? Oh, baby. The Team Philippines white jersey, F Cancer edition. It's basically a tribute to me with the 14 on the side. That's my family number. It's the number I adopted after I got diagnosed. And then we got in here, we got the one we won the 2023 Thailand event with. Again, I do F Cancer for my name, 14 for the number. Team Philippines jersey. Shout out to everybody that's sponsored the team in the past. Butterfly with the Fly, Contract Killer, Weapons, Agami, SC Village. God, definitely need this, guys. If you're gonna go fresh to the event with some JT lenses. Best mask in the game. Gotta be fresh for the tournament. Going with 2 masks here, guys. Going with my just a substandard black ProFlex with a pink JT strap. Always wanted the strap. Someone was kind enough to gift it to me. And then my signature series Tips Rocket F Cancer mask with this, you know, mirrored silver lens, the Team Philippines strap. Definitely love rocking this bad boy, but I think this lens might be dinged up, so we got to get those freshies I showed you before. And then last but not least, my special arc anodized CS2. As you can see, with the F Cancer print all over it. Have the matching mech frame. The E-frame's not, but I mean, this thing still looks beautiful. We'll get into the other side of this bag. Going to, I call this my headgear department. First up, I like Spider-Man a lot. So I got this from Handmade Headbands. Shout out to Colby and the boys. This thing came out sick. Then when I first started, I had this monkey with a gun headband. I ended up losing it, but I ended up finding one again. This is usually what I wear on tournament days. And then underneath that, I got my Evo Gerbil head wrap that I like to use. Then we're gonna go over here. This is my, I don't know what you want to call this. Miscellaneous stuff. Microfiber. Wipe off those hits, clean your friends off. Just got this from a good buddy of mine. Here we played that a lot back in the day. High velocity paintball. So this is like an OG, there's a little rainbow flag thing going on here. Pretty cool. Then we also got, in case it rains, always gotta have the visor. And then, you know, another barrel stock in case things go down. You have multiple barrel stocks. Your friends always lose them. Have extra barrel stocks. So let's get this stuff out of the way. And let's see what we got here. In this middle pack pocket here, I got 2 speed feet for my Aussie friend, Mo Assad, or you might know him as Mojo on Facebook. He needed these, so we'll bring those out to him. And then, I don't think I have anything else in there. Nope. All right, so that's the inside of the main compartment. Now we're gonna go out here and see what we got here on this part. Oh, my good friend. Another shout out to Mo, he needs this virtual board. Make sure you disassemble your tank. My tank's coming with my friend. So, but you have to have the regulator off the tank to travel. Big key after playing, just a little bit of deodorant helps out a lot. Socks. I'm big into one of my sponsors, socks. So shout out to Evo Gerbil for always hooking up and having a nice pair of socks for me to wear. What else we got in here? Batteries. You always need batteries. For you, your friends that forget, make sure you got batteries. Like I said, my friend has my tank. So tank cover from Bunker Kings, works real well. Let's get here. Another microfiber. And last but not least, a squeegee. In case your barrel has looks like this one's kind of chewed up a little bit. I don't know what that happened, but barrel sock. Sorry, squeegee. That looks like it. Last thing here, we're gonna do outside view of my bag. We got the Volcano gear bag, passed from a league that I ran, or still run, WTS, and then something someone gifted me. So that's gonna be it, guys. Catch us in Thailand. All right, and this is the end of the show, guys. Like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends about it. Big vlog coming out in Thailand. And remember, guys, just outlive it.